Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome in this session. In this session, we will not talk about a specific feature or command, but we will build together business card template from A to Z in practical way, so you can test that and follow this demo from scratch after installing TreeShade. This example card from FreeBic as an example. Okay, but at first, a quick introduction. Let's go to TreeShade installation web page. From here you can install the software. It's called the TreeShade. I have developed this software over 10 years of developing and still developing it. It's totally free and it's an extension for InDesign, Bridge, for InDesign, Photoshop, Illustrator, and also for Bridge. And also the software include local server, so you can connect your computer to be online, so you can send URLs for your collaborators, marketing team, your customers, so they can fill form connected to the template to produce new design remotely. So the document will be opened, updated and closed without any manual editing. The file will be opened and closed automatically. So let's start. Let's download. We have two files, JPG and EPS. Here, after installing TreeShade, the software will ask you to create root folder for your project. I have created this folder, TRST. Inside the folder, workshop will be created automatically. And inside the workshop, put your project, and you can list it, the project as you want, no problem. But all your project must be inside the workshop, directly or indirectly. Let's create folder for our project, test C. Now the folder is empty. Let's create folder called draft for the downloaded files, the business card. where the files, this and this. Copy and paste. So we have JPG and EBS. But actually we want in design, we want to create in design document. So out a draft inside the project folder, test C. Let's create what we can create from TreeShade menu, new, the submenu new, then list, new, and let's keep the same name, list. I want to create list, so you can add a new business card automatically. Each new employee, you can add new business card on the list. Okay. Here you will have file and folder with the same name. They have logical relation in TreeShade. It's a pairing relation, so the file paired to the folder and for the folder paired to the file. Let's go inside list. Here let's rename one, two, three, four, five. Random initial digit. In future, when you add the new business card, the ID will be generated automatically here, so the new file will have random ID. And this is the original. Right click on the text file and select Open Paired Folder. Because the text file has no paired folder, it will be created and you will be inside that folder. If we go back, you will see that this text file have paired folder for the business card. So here we want to create in design document from TreeShade, new, Creative Cloud in design, and these commands will be installed with the software, and they actually files, template files installed with the software, and you can edit them, add new files, remove as you want. Click this command, reveal this path, edit the file, add, remove, and then restart Adobe Bridge. And also you can add a new path. In addition to new, you will have a new template. The command here called new because the folder itself called new. So if we click this command, reveal this path, you will have the folder called new inside initial, inside workshop. And this folder will be installed with the software. Let's go back. To the original business card folder. And let's create a new InDesign document. Creative Cloud InDesign. Let's name the card or business card or any name you want. And it's open. Then let's keep InDesign on the right. And Adobe Bridge on the left. Now, let's change the document setup. Here we have business card 84 by 80, 85 by 54. It's the dimension of the ATM card, the same dimension. Click OK. And let's place the image of the card here as a guide. So what we want. Inside test C, draft, drag and drop. Let's start by the second page, by the first page. It's the back of the card, or the face as you want. Okay. Let's open the ABS in Adobe Illustrator to get the element of the card. Open with Adobe Illustrator. Okay. Let's use this logo as a placeholder. So let's cut or copy new file, Ctrl Alt N, paste here. Let's reduce the size to 20 milli. We can scale as we want in InDesign, but here I prefer the image or logo to be small. So when we place in Adobe InDesign, it will be in small size to so you can easily scale up. But if it's big, it's annoying. So let's save where we want to save. Workshop, testing, test C, list. Here the logo is important to put inside the business card folder, so it will be revealed on the online form, so the end user can upload a new logo as he wants. So inside the ID 12345, let's create a new folder called data for the content, or let's name content. and let's name the file let's be PDF. Let's name logo, just logo. Okay, now let's take this decorative triangles and let's save in a new file, Control Alt N. The same thing, let's reduce. Now the size is about 44 centimeters, no need for that. Let's be 40 milli, about 4 centimeters. Fit to art bound. And let's save, Control S. Now these triangles, I don't want to be edited in the online form because it will be united in all business cards. So we don't want to save in content. We will save inside the project folder directly, inside test C. Let's save directly to the folder. And let's name PDF. Background, let's name background. What we want else from the business card here? We want the logos, these logos. So let's copy, Control Alt N, Control V, A to select this tool, delete, and then what? Let's save. All together the same. Or you prefer to save separated each logo alone. Let's save each logo alone. So Control Alt A, Control Alt N. Do you know, I think to make artboard, separated artboard for the same logos. Let's try that. So cancel this. And now, instead of that, let's select the first icon, Shift O to edit the artboard, then fit to selected art. Then draw new artboard. Select the second, fit to Shift O, and Shift O. And now let's save. Let's save where? Also inside test C directory. As PDF, and let's name icons. Okay. Now we have the triangles and we have the icons and the logo as a placeholder. So let's close, no need for this. Okay, now here in Adobe InDesign, let's place the logo. We save the logo, not inside the draft. Inside test C list, and this is the first business card folder, the default one, and the end user will be able to add a new business card to the list automatically. So you will have different folders here. This is the original business card, the template business card. And inside content, we have the logo. So the end user can upload a new logo if he wants. But do you know the logo also must be fixed? But anyway, let's put here. Okay. For the triangle, inside test C, background, so now we don't need the guide, the original business card, the image. Okay. Let's set the margin from layout, margins and columns. Okay. Let's make object style for the logo. From object styles, new object style. Let's name logo. And let's set frame fitting options. It's important because when the user upload a new logo with different ratio, so when the document automatically updated, the new logo will be fit to the frame. So auto fit content proportionally. Okay. What else we want? That's it. Apply the logo. And there is another thing important from TreeShade menu. Execute this command. Set dynamic link on selected. So when the end user add new business card, the new document will be relink to the new logo, not the old one. So it will be relative to the document, not absolute, because if you don't execute this command, the link will be the same, the original file. Just execute this command, set dynamic link on selected, and click OK. No need to change this default. Okay, that's it. Now we finished this phase. Control Shift P. And now let's go back to list, to draft. So we have here two phases. We finished this, and let's start with this. Let's copy the background here, Control C, then click here and Control Alt Shift V to place in the same location. Okay, here you have your name and the position, and then we have here the contact. Let's place the icons. How we can place the icons? Let's go back to icons. If we drag and drop here, you will place only the first file, the first artboard, because this have artboard, many icons inside. How we can place Control D, or select from File menu, place. Now let's go to testing. Test C, icons, this is icons, and here check this, show import options, so we can place all the artboards. So here select all, transparent background. Okay. Okay, now let's click, one click here, one click here, then click to distribute. And now let's scale together to keep the same ratio between them. To scale down, you need to click Control, Shift, Alt, Control, Shift, Alt, or without Alt, but Control, Shift is important. Shift to keep the ratio, Control, this Control, and this Shift. Why it's not like that? If I click Control, they must be or Command Shift. It's strange. Let's use this scale. This here. Click Shift and then one click, another click. Okay. Okay. Now let's create one text frame for all or two text frames. Let's be one text frame. So let's delete this. And let's open one text frame. Here, first and last name, or first and last, then job position, then what we can do here, the location, it's right Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, telephone, and what is the last one? The website, www.example.com. Okay, now it's format. Here for the language, let's put English. For the font, let's be Myriad Pro. For the contact, 10 or 9. Do you know, let's make two text frame. One here. Let's be to the middle. And let's move this to the right. Okay, now click here and make a new text frame. Control B, align bottom. Let's make smaller. Auto leading. Okay. Now let's create paragraph style. From here, paragraph styles, a new paragraph style. Name. Apply style to selection. Then here, a new paragraph style. Position. And then here, let's select all. And contact. Okay, for the color, what was the color? The same color or? It's strange. Let's make all the same color. So let's select all. Pick this color. And then put the text cursor at each paragraph to make redefine. Control Alt Shift R to clear the extra formatting. And here the same. Okay. Now we finished from designing. What we can do now, we can create live snippet for the text, and I will create one live snippet for all text. So the end user can copy the text from WhatsApp message or from email to put as one plain text block. No need for cells and fields and etc. The same order. So select the all text and from live snippet create new live snippet. Do you want as individuals? If you select yes, each paragraph will be in separated live snippet. Click no to make one live snippet for all. No. And here write the relative path to the text file. Where you want to save the text file. We created folder called data, is that right? And we put the logo there. So if we go back to our folder, here beside the InDesign document we have content. So let's save the text file inside content. Write content and then text. Okay. That's it. Now TreeShade automatically create one live snippet for both for the story, for the whole text, starting from here, marked by this non-printing anchor text frame, and end here with this special character and nested style here. Mark the end. All as one live snippet. Now if we update this live snippet, let's try, update selected. The problem here that all the paragraphs have the first one applied, the first one generalized on all, and that we don't want. We want each paragraph to, what we can do, we can assign dynamic paragraph style for each one. How we can do that? Let's correct the style. So here name and here position. And here contact. Now let's assign a dynamic paragraph style. From live snippet, select dynamic style and let's add the style name, then the style type. The first style name, name, the employee name, colon, then para. Then add para for one, which means for the first paragraph. Double colon to add extra style. Position, colon, para for two, double colon, contact, Para means paragraph style, abbreviation for paragraph style. Para for what? For 3 plus. 3 plus means from the third paragraph to the end. Okay. It's worked, but not for the rest here. Here they have basic paragraph. I think I make mistake in the syntax. So from live snippet, dynamic style again. And here not 3 plus, plus 3. This means from the third to the end. Okay, it's worked. Now let's save the document and let's select yes for checking in. And let's wait until the bridge reveal the PDF. If the PDF revealed, previewed, then the checking in done. Let's wait. Okay, now the PDF revealed. So it's revealed here in this location, versions PDFs. So you need to click back here for editing location. Don't edit the output. So click here. And now let's try to reveal the online form. To make online form, we need to create text file from TreeShade menu. Select new, online. This will duplicate a text file called online ts_key in the current location. Now if we double click the text file, the online form will be revealed. Here we have background, icons, original. I think this is the wrong folder to reveal. At first, we don't want background and icon to be revealed on the online form. So let's move to assets, to any folder. Right click on the files. Now we want to cut and put inside a folder, but to do that, don't use copy and cut, the default commands of Adobe Bridge, but use the TreeShade command, pick for change at first, then let's create folder, let's name assets, or any name, and then right click and select change, move here. Okay, good. Now the original, now the background, and and icons moved out of the online form, because in the online form only the folder that have paired files will be revealed. Here the list have paired the text file list, So it revealed previewed in the online form. And if we go inside list, this folder have paired text file, so it revealed, etc. Now let's open this. Nothing here, why? Original. What we need here, the content folder have no paired text, have no paired file. Typically it's a text file. So let's create a text file called content, and it's better to select paired because this text file have rendering content. Select paired and write content. And do you know, let's add the online form so the end user can open this business card in separated online form. Not only the cards list. So new online. Now let's refresh. Now see, you have hyperlink. If you click on this number, the PDF automatically now updated because we added paired text file beside the document. Because the updating triggered automatically when this text file that has this flag ts_key. If this text file created or modified its name, all InDesign documents in the same location will be updated. So let's go back. Let's open. Here we have a preview for the business card, and we have content as logo and as text. The end user can upload a new logo and can update this text. Let's try. But do you know, we don't want to modify the original business card. So we want to add a flag. We want to add a flag to the bare text file of the folder. After the ID, add ts_ro, read only. Now you couldn't click here. There is no hyperlink to open the original form. But if you click this plus, a new business card will be added. Let's write here Aziz. Let's upload a logo. And let's edit the text. Okay, let's copy this, the software link. Now let's click update. When we click update, you will see, let's put InDesign on the right. Okay, now let's click update. Now the local server will create a new folder for the new business card, duplicate the document and the link and the content, open the new InDesign document, update the content, export PDF, and close the document. Now when the end user click here, you will have a new business card with the new content. And always original, the last one. So if you add new item, always original at the bottom, so you can add easily. And this is the label, help the graphic designer. Where is the folder if you want to edit manually? Like if we go to the list, you will have original and you will have here display part or label on the text file. And to open the bird folder, no need to search manually for the folder, like comparing the characters here. Just double click on the text file and TreeShade will prompt this question. If you click yes, the folder will be opened. And if you have long list, like hundred of files, you can here in filter select only plain text document. So only the business card will be displayed, the bird text files, and search for the label here. Double click, click yes to open the folder. That's it. Now let's add extra preferences. You can add the thumbnail here beside each card to know it's to make a preview for that card. How we can add that? Go to the project folder, test C, and here on the online TS key, double click, open online form, no. Now we can edit the content. Add at the beginning thumb to display thumbnails. See here, we have thumbnails for each document. For the logo, we can make any logo. The original document. This is the original, I think. This. For the original document, or don't, I think it's enough for this. What I want to say that you can make effect here. inner glow to fill the logo with blue. So if the user upload different logo, it will be filled automatically with blue. Here, to make inner glow, change to normal and make the opacity 100, and here make blue like that. The blue, the required blue is not listed here, but anyway, that's what we want. Okay, try this tutorial after installing TreeShade, and if you have any problem in installing or using the software, don't hesitate to ask me, and at any time you can write comments during the live streaming. I go live streaming on daily basis, so subscribe to get notified when I go live. And the software is totally free. You can install from Adobe Exchange. And if you want to use without InDesign for website building, for content management, you can use that with Adobe Bridge, because Adobe Bridge is totally free. You can install without the need for subscription on Adobe. Just make an account and install Adobe Bridge, then install TreeShade. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.